Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, if you are working on print-on-demand business, you always need making multiple designs with some variables, either to create cross-niche designs like nurse and coffee, cat and summer and so on, or making a full coverage of a specific niche or a sub-niche. For example, if you want to make a full coverage of sub-niche like Pernese Mountain Dog, it is a sub-niche of dog niche, and we can make it with some jobs and professions. For example, we can make design like I am a pharmacist and love Pernese Mountain Dog, and another design I am a nurse and love Pernese Mountain Dog, I am an engineer and love Pernese Mountain Dog, and so on and so forth. So in other words, you can make a full domination of that specific niche. So how to do that and how to create these multiple designs with some variables? You can do it yourself, or you can create these designs manually, and of course it takes some time. However, because your time is more precious, so I am here to provide you with some other tools that you can create some multiple designs with your desired variables in no time, with few clicks. So let's begin with the first tool today, which is toppelleindex.com. toppelleindex.com. It is a real Redbubble game changer, and of course I have talked about that awesome tool in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment and description box. And as for making multiple designs with desired variables, all you have to do is just to go to this one, design tools, as you see here, okay, and design editor, click over that, and here in this canvas we can create our design. So first of all, we have to customize the dimensions of your design from here, dimension, okay, and we can choose the dimensions of your design according to apparel, okay, or you can customize it from that option, custom. So for example, we can insert here 5 thousandths for both width and height, save it changes, perfect. And for better design, just we can use preview on an item, on a product like essential t-shirt, as you see here. And now let's start off and make our design. So we can start with this one, text, and you can type here I am, okay, we can make it bigger, as you see, perfect. And therefore we can add multiple, is our variable, okay, professions, jobs like pharmacist, engineer, mechanic, nurse, and so on. So we can add here dynamic text, as you see, perfect, okay. You can make it bold, perfect. You can change its color to red, amazing. And you can add here our professions like doctor, okay, pharmacist, perfect. Therefore we can add here another text like this one, and I am teacher and love, okay, and we add another text as well like this one, Pernese dog, perfect, okay. For example, we can make it red, amazing, multiple, okay, and generate. That's it. Here, this awesome website generates a lot on the multiple designs with some variables that we have put: doctor, pharmacist, nurse, mechanic, teacher, which means we can make 5 different designs, okay? I am a doctor and love Pernese Mountain Dog. I am a teacher and love Pernese Mountain Dog, and so on and so forth, as you see here. I am a doctor and love Pernese Mountain Dog. I am a pharmacist, nurse, mechanic, a teacher, and so on, okay? That's it. Easily, okay. Of course they are with transparent backgrounds, okay. So just download all the photos, that's it, okay. So the first tool today is Topple Index to create multiple designs with some variables. And of course you can add here a lot of variables, a lot of dynamic texts, okay? And so the second tool for today is Canva Automate Maker. Canva Automate Maker. It is a Chrome extension that you can add in your Chrome browser, okay? And of course we can need canva.com, okay? So go to Canva, okay, like that. And we made some multiple designs with some variables. I love my husky dog and pear. So we can make variables in that one. I love my husky, I love my Pernesse, I love my bulldog, I love my show, and so on and so forth with different dogs. And of course we can change this one like whiskey, any other beverages, okay? Pear, whiskey, wine, vodka, and so on. That's just to go to our Chrome extension, Canva Automate Maker, as you see here. Okay, make some variables and mark it with this one, hashtag and number hashtag, okay, hashtag 1, hashtag 2, hashtag, and so on. So back to our Canva, our design here. So if we want to make some variables in this design like husky and pear, so just remove this one, hashtag number 1, hashtag mark, okay? This is the first one, the first variable in our design. The second one, the same, shift hashtag 2, hashtag, okay? Okay, go back to our Chrome extension, okay? Therefore, identifies 2 variables, as you see here. We can change dog types and beverages, okay? Okay, download a sample CSV. Let's open it. As you see here, a lot of variables as you want, okay? The first variable, second, third, and so on. So here we can change to dog types like husky and husky, okay, and Pernesse, okay, and show. And the second variable we can change it to alcoholic drinks like wine, pear, vodka, and so on and so forth. Okay, we can add here cola, for example. Perfect, that's it. So we can remove this one, okay, yes, back, Canva Automate Maker, okay, upload, pick our file, open, okay, 4 rows, download file type, so we can select PNG with transparent background, okay, and of course here we need a Canva Pro account, okay, or at least the free trial of Canva Pro. Okay, download folder name, we can type here dogs, Automate Make, perfect. And here we'll find in the background your designs with variables as you insert dog types and different drinks, okay, as you see. The first one here, so let's open it. I love my husky and wine, okay, and the second one, I love my show and cola, and so on and so forth. Different dog type and different drinks, okay. And for sure, Canva Automate Maker gives you a free trial or a free account with 20 designs. So if you want to continue to use this Chrome extension, you have to upgrade to a premium account just for $10 per month. So the second tool for today is Canva Automate Maker with Canva Pro account if you want to make a transparent background designs, okay. Okay, the third tool for today is Merge Informer. And after sign up Merge Informer, just go to this one, profile picture, and go to Merge Designer. Click over that. And here we can create your design. So first of all, you have to select your category, like t-shirt. Okay, perfect. And we can make our design here. So let's get started to make our design here. So we can start with adding text like this one. Okay, this amazing font as here, and you'll find up here some editing tools to this text, like making bold, okay, uppercase, lowercase, and so on. So we can change this text, and we can type here I am. Okay, we can make it bigger, the text as you see here, I am. Add another one like this one. Okay, I am a doctor, pharmacist, engineer, and nurse, and so on. Okay, add another one like this font, Anton. We can edit it, and love. Okay, quickly add here this one, edit it, Pernice, mountain, dog. Okay, for example, update text as you see here, quickly. Can change its color from here, fill option, red. Okay, and this variable we can make this one, I am a doctor, and other professions, other jobs, okay, as a variable, a variant. Okay, so we can go to as this one, text variants. Okay, as you see, then we can upload our CSV. Okay, just we can add some variants per line. Okay, for jobs, for dog types, and for different drinks, and so on and so forth, that we have done on our Canva Automate Maker Chrome extension. Okay, so we can go to our file text, and you can add here jobs like doctor. Back to our merchant former, as here, go to this one, text variants, upload variants. Okay, our file CSV, and you can change this one to doctor, pharmacist, nurse, mechanic, teacher, and so on and so forth. Okay, so go to this one, download, and here you will generate 5 different designs. Okay, that's it. And the last tool for today is Canva's Merge Titans. It's like as our Chrome extension Canva Automate Maker. Okay, it is a branch of Merge Titans platform that also depends on canva.com. Okay, and now you have known all tools to create scalable designs with some variables, to create cross niche designs, or make a full coverage of specific niche or a sub niche. To that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave the comment section. See you in the next video.